Nothing will literally stop this train, guys. We just got confirmed by BlackRock. This is why we stated today was one of the most important days of the whole year, guys. Right? This year, today was very important. And we just got the green light that it was. We got confirmed by Justin. BlackRock says Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech is a quote-unquote green light for investors. Oh, don't you see, guys, right? There we go. This is why it was important, guys, because the FOMC now gave the green light to people who are going to buy these digital assets or stocks, guys. In general, these assets, that everything is good to go. They told where the markets, the economy will head to next. And it seems like where up we go for the markets, at least. Not financial advice, but here we go, guys. So the Fed is very happy with what they have seen, and you can't really fight this until there's some kind of fundamental data from the economy side that pushes back, right? If you go down here, the green lights for investors from today's interest rates announcement may convince investors to hold onto the bull, the BlackRock manager says. Beautiful, guys, right? Wow, I just can't believe it. I'm so excited because things are about to go possibly parabolic, right? And everyone's going to get wrong-footed. The best part of the new Ripple office is the name of the cafe, guys. Look at this. Espresso, right? But XRP. XRpresso, guys. Expresso. So, isn't that crazy? It's time to go. It's time to hold on. Buckle your seatbelts, guys, right? Because the train is about to leave the damn station. We're about to go to our final destination, right? The express train. Here we go. Now, why are things going to get crazy, you may ask? Because breaking, Google adds a section to their website for crypto-specific advertising starting January 29th, guys. Right? January is a huge month for crypto. Buckle up. There we go. Even what is it? Google is coming to play, guys, right? So now they're giving cryptocurrency ads, I think, approvals. Beginning January 29, 2024, advertisers offering cryptocurrency coin trust targeting the United States may advertise those products and services when they meet the following requirements and are certified by Google. You can't make that stuff up, right? It's that easy, guys. And this correlates with the ETFs coming into play as well. So could this mark the top? I don't know. But what I do know is there's going to be big money, guys, right? That they want to be throwing ads everywhere. So let us prepare. Things are going to get crazy, hectic. And then, new! JP Morgan has tripled its internal crypto team, all while its CEO bashes Bitcoin. Watch what they do, not what they say, right? This is why we stated that don't fall for their tricks, guys. I literally have a thread that called the bottom, right, for the stocks and crypto markets back on, I think it was July 15th or so, guys. Or no, June 17th of 2022. And we did say that they are not your friends. They're not our friends, guys, right? So they wanna deceive you, right? Amy Diamond says that if he was the government, he would ban cryptocurrencies, right? But all in the while, he tripled his internal crypto team, guys. Look at this. JP Morgan is in a fight over its clients' lost $50 million fortune. You can't make this stuff up, right? Couple saw their net wealth drop from $50 million to $1.5 million after taking investment advice from JP Morgan. You can't make this stuff up. Exactly, right? They're not your damn friends, guys. I don't even know who trusts these banksters, right? The people above us, quote unquote, right? The quote unquote elites. Now, not to mention, when we were in the bear market, they all wanted us to get out. I didn't. I actually bought more, right? I literally went all in at that point in time, guys. So, not to mention, financial advisors. I mean, why are they even financial advisors, right? They should be financial advisors. They should give advice to themselves, guys, right? For them to get into retirement status. There you go. I don't know. It's a crazy world we live in. But, guys, things are getting super exciting because December 2023. Look at this. Quietly behind the scenes, every major bank has have been launching blockchain services for institutional clients, plus institutional investors are beginning to flood the market. It's time, right? Today was a very important day. We got the green light. Now buy Bitcoin in their treasury without harming their financial statements. 75% of advisors say they have not been investing in Bitcoin yet for their clients. Oh, imagine when they all do. Here soon, ETFs go live, right? Don't you see an explosion imminent to the upside? So, because there hasn't been any Bitcoin ETF available to them, right? But as soon as those ETFs are available, those advisors say they're going to jump in with allocations ranging from 1 to 5% of clients' assets, right? Wow, independent IRAs manage $8 trillion, guys. You can't make this stuff up. From 1 to 5%, they're going to be jumping ship to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, right? When Bitcoin pumps, every other coin pumps with it until the day the new financial system is brought to life, guys. This type of formation will keep taking place. Bitcoin goes up and then the rest follow, right? Bitcoin is king as we speak. So this is very bullish to say the least. I haven't even mentioned the trillions of dollars that's being managed by financial advisors who work at the big brokerage firms, or the trillions of dollars that's being managed by family offices. In the short term, though, the Bitcoin ETFs may create a top. I hope they delay till the Fed cut rates, guys. But if they don't, that's fine. Short-term top. But in the long term, this is going to be ballistic for the cryptocurrency space. This is why I say to guys. So let's say the collapse happens, right? The old horse, the stock horse, the current financial system horse is old, right? And it needs to retire. So this is where they create a new horse out of thin air, guys, right? And inject it with capital, liquidity. So then, when the system does collapse, the new horse can take off, running and running and running, right? Don't we see something? Maybe something is brewing, guys. Maybe during the collapse, the coins that will survive won't even drop at that point because money will flood into cryptocurrencies. I don't know, but something's brewing 100%. So, not financial advice, but or the trillions of dollars that's being managed by family offices, or the trillions of dollars that are held by institutional investors, right? You think they're not going to get engaged as well? Some of them already are. Can't make this stuff up, guys. You just can't. And what you haven't been paying attention to is the fact that quietly behind the scenes, every major bank in the country has been launching blockchain programs and products and services. Some for their institutional clients. Why? Because it's where the damn rolls head towards, guys, right? I guess people are not paying attention, right? And they're beginning to flood the market, right? The SEC will finally approve a spot Bitcoin ETF. Just like we have thousands of spot equity ETFs with trillions of dollars invested in them, head to head with aggressive marketing campaigns to win market share. Exactly, the ads are going to go ballistic, guys. So just in crypto to be measured at fair value under new AFSB rules, Bloomberg reports. I'm not going to read all of this, guys, but if you go down here, what does this mean? Businesses can hodl without a permanent loss on their books. So all the things that are coming out right now, guys, it's just getting more bullish and bullish for the space overall, right? Because they have to. They're basically forced to integrate blockchain technology into their system, guys, right? The traditional financial system. Now buy Bitcoin in their treasury without harming their financial statements. So if we're talking about fair value, look at this. Extensive analysis shows XRP fair market value ranges from $3.5 thousand to $22,000. Now, I know for a fact this probably won't occur anytime soon, but possibly in the 2030s, right? This is why I'm always going to have a small portion of XRP until the death of me, literally, guys, right? There's no point of selling all your bag, right? Majority of your bag, yeah, sure, that's fair, right? But 100% of it, because I do see the future world being what? Blockchain enabled, right? XRP enabled. So I'm definitely going to keep a small portion for. I'm thinking 33%, guys. I'll never sell. So is that small? Not really, but that's just me. Not financial advice. Then we see Invesco and Galaxy filed their third amendment to their spot Bitcoin ETF with the SEC, guys. It's just, these ETFs will be coming online soon from Ripple, ready to make an impact with us as we transform the future of finance. There we go. Ripple is always hiring even when the price dumps, guys. Right. Make an impact. Apply today. There you guys go. Now, Ripple case win was a mind-blowing moment for the space, plus regulators have been losing in court, guys, right? So everyone's rooting for everything else, but no one cares about Ripple and XRP these days. Well, they probably should. Why? Because the reason why your ETFs are going to get approved is because of this right here, Ripple and XRP.
And what we're seeing, though, is that the regulators aren't always winning in court. And this is a big change. So you may be aware, for example, of the SEC v. Ripple case. Right? I won't go into the details here, but this was really a sort of mind-blown moment for many in the space, and probably for the regulators as well, that it came out that way. And we have, of course, judges with differences of opinions, even within the same district, right? So we have Judge Rakoff in another case, which is SEC versus Do Kwon, which came to a different sort of rationale from the Ripple case, but at a different stage on different facts. We're seeing things, whether it relates to DeFi, where judges, very important judges, in fact, the same judges that are hearing the tornado cash case, and also SEC v. Coinbase, where in a private action against Uniswap Labs, right, and some various other parties, they said, actually, SEC, you're behind in DeFi. This is a matter for Congress. And also, why would we hold a company like, for example, a provider like PayPal or Venmo liable for acts that occurred by third parties using their systems? So it's a very interesting space, just even staying within securities.
You just can't make this stuff up, guys, right? I know a lot of people are talking about XRP's price and whatnot, but Goldman Sachs says there's a huge appetite for Bitcoin and crypto as US ETF approval looms, and expects a significant uptake in trading volume over the next 12 months or something. 12 months, guys, right? 12 hours, years, months, days, weeks, seconds, I don't know. But boom, CEO and co-founder of Real Vision Group and the former Goldman Sachs executive Raoul Pal has disclosed his perfectly timed entry into XRP, deeming it's the opportunity of a lifetime. They all know, but people are just too distracted, guys. Yes, XRP sleeping, right? The bear's hibernating, but once it awakens, it's game over. Look at this. Raoul Pal literally says, when the court case came out, that's when I bought XRP. When you see something like that, it's like, okay, now the price has been massively discounted, right? Everyone else was selling, but they were buying. It's the craziest thing, guys. That's what happens at every damn time, right? Every damn time, like this right here. Do the opposite, guys. Market psychology, not financial advice. Things are looking pretty ridiculous, right? Hopefully we keep going up, create new all-time highs, recession, then keep going back up. Who knows? We'll wait and see. We'll be here, though, to document it all. Not financial advice, but it was such a amazing. See ya. But new all-time highs, I'm out.